Meaning of half-title.
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 Half-title. A half-title is a page in a book that contains only the main title of the book, without including the author's name or any other information. This page usually appears at the beginning of the book, before the full title page, and may also be referred to as the bastard title or short title. The purpose of a half-title is to create a sense of anticipation and intrigue for the reader before they encounter the full title page. It can also serve as a decorative element in the design of the book.